Hey y'all, it is back to school season at Walmart. Let's see what we can find when it comes to clothes and shoes and things that we can find on a budget. Follow your girl. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna jump right into this haul by Free Assembly. This is a brand at Walmart that is really fashion forward, and they use sustainable materials from what they claim. Now, this outfit that I'm trying on is called the Free Assembly Women's Belted Bubble Hem Cotton Mini Dress with long sleeves. I'm trying it on in a XXL, and y'all, let me tell you, this is my favorite outfit of Free Assembly, period. Okay, they have it in several different colors. They have it in a olive green, which of course I love. I already have a Free Assembly olive green dress. They have it in black suit, or SOOT. I don't know whether you say suit or soot. And then I am trying it on in a blue print stripe, y'all. I mean, it's wrinkled with all get out, but this dress is adorable. I'm wearing this to work as soon as I buy it. Now at the store they told me it was $30 some odd, but online it's $29. So I'm gonna make sure I go ahead and tag it in the shopping bag on the screen, so make sure you check it out. And I'm getting one in a XXL, so don't take them all. I'm definitely gonna give you one soon. Y'all, I love this dress. And you know what would make this even better? If you wore it with a really cute cropped blazer, or even a long blazer. I would iron this out really good, because I want that bubble to show. Y'all, I love this outfit. Now it runs between an XS and an XXL. That's as far as it goes. And this one is a denim dress from Walmart as well. It's a cute little dress. I definitely love this one. It has a ruffle hem at the bottom, and I mean, I think it's really cute. Now as far as this denim, it's not stretchy at all. I'm trying it on in a XXL as well. It's not stretchy at all, but it fits very well, which is shocking, because sometimes to me Free Assembly clothes run smaller, but I mean, maybe I'm dropping more weight. I mean, it definitely fits very well, and so does the last dress, so I like them both. Now this one, they also had it in a white or a stone or a cream or beige or something. I was not feeling that one. They had it in the store, but it wasn't really doing it for me. This dress is cute with this dark color. I think the white is just a bit too much, but I mean, the dress is cute either way. I love it. I just wouldn't get it in a white or a stone color, but if you did, I would wear brown shoes. And just like with this one, I would probably wear brown shoes, brown jewelry, like wooden jewelry, wooden shoes. If you get the vision of where I'm going with this, I think it would be really cute wearing it this way. But it's only 2 different colors in this one. Really cute, but yeah, it doesn't stretch at all. Now this one, y'all, I love this little baby doll dress. It's a little bit smaller than I'd like, but those sleeves just make it just super dainty and super cute. I thought this was really cute. These dresses are all going to be tagged in the shopping bag, so make sure you check it out. This one, they have it in like this black color, they have it in a yellow, and then they have it in a blue and a white as well. Now this one is fairly cheap. I thought it was going to be more expensive, but this one is only $15. It's just mini, so I don't know where I would actually wear this to. At the same time, I probably could not wear it to work, because that's a little short. Maybe it's not. Maybe I could get away with it. And the crazy thing about it is, because of those sleeves, I would never want to wear a jacket with it and hide those beautiful, fluffy, sticking out sleeves. I would never want to hide that. But I love this dress. And you know what? I would probably get this in a butter yellow. I can't do the black in this one. This is too cute. This is a super cute one in light blue too. Now this one is just a tank dress, which is adorable because of the way it ruffles out. Or I don't know, it's kind of like an A-frame type of dress. Y'all, I love this dress too. I think it is so adorable. They also sell this dress in a white, and then I'm trying, it's a vivid white, by the way, and I'm trying this on in the darkest navy. And y'all, again, this is another dress that has went from $25 and it is $13.67 right now online. Again, I am tagging it for you. This is something I could see myself wearing like a cardigan with it, and I'm straight up wearing this to work. All these outfits is giving work vibes for me, y'all. I'm in Florida, so we can dress this light all year round until it gets kind of cold in like January and February. But ultimately, this dress is a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. I just feel like I would be that girl that comes in happy every day at work, that everybody will be like, oh, she's always so cheered up. She's always dressing like she's cheered up anyway. That's the kind of vibe that I'm giving out in this type of dress. And y'all, for $14, absolutely. Why ever not? You know what I mean? I'm just happy that I'm seeing free assembly dresses way cheaper. And I'll be honest with you, the white one, the vivid white one, it's actually $12.44. Depending on, you know, the color, you can get it cheaper. $12.44 XXL all the way down to a XS. Y'all, here is another one that is shocking me when it comes to the price. Now, this was cute, super comfortable. I mean, super comfortable. I don't know why I'm ruffling it up like I am, but this was super comfortable. It comes in 3 different colors. This blue and white stripe one is the most expensive, but guess what? It's $12.85. Y'all better hit that button on that screen, because I'm telling you, these dresses is cheaper than ever. Free assembly don't normally be this cheap. They have this dress in a vivid white as well. It's all white. I mean, you might have to go to church on Sunday in white one day, so you might as well snatch this dress up. It's $7.73. Okay, that is the cheapest one. And then the black, well, actually darkest navy, which is probably gonna be my favorite. This dress is $9.27, y'all. That's crazy. Like, these are all on clearance, y'all. Keep in mind, Walmart doesn't always keep their stuff on clearance. They see how something sells or something. I don't know what their rhyme to the rhythm is, but they will put this dress right on back up to $25, which is actually it's $34. They will put this dress right on back up. So make sure you snatch this up, because like I said, it's $7, $9, and $12 depending on the color. I'm trying it on in the most expensive color, $12.85. You should get one of each. Why would you not? Yeah, and this is the last one. I thought this dress was pretty cute because, again, it's just like a fluffy, super fluffy, very comfy, cozy material. It's in a blue and white. I think this is an adorable dress if you just want to, like I said, be comfortable, be 100% comfortable. The fabric was a little bit softer than the other ones. Free assembly tends to have like that cotton material that's a little bit harder. Well, this comes in 2 different colors. It's in a green and white, which is gonna be $11.90, and then this blue and white one is $11.84. So again, y'all could get a whole collection here for under $100, and I like them all. I like all of these dresses. I think they are all adorable. One is a little bit shorter than the other, but it's still cute. I'm gonna figure out how to make it work. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna figure out how to make it work at work. And hey, if they dress code me, I have something in the car for them now. Like what? But no, Walmart is definitely coming through when it comes to their clothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. And even if you're getting it right now and the winter's coming, you still could wear this for the spring coming up. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video for me. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I got more for you. Bye-bye.